Hey guys! A while back my friend Ken was in town and you can't get two photographers together without shooting something, so we decided to take on a photo challenge, faceless portraits. We wanted to try shooting portraits using creative ways to obscure the face, which made us rely a lot more on poses and composition to tell the story. Here's what we got.
We headed to Venice without much of a plan and began to experiment. Really quick, we figured out ways to use our surroundings to hide our faces, almost in a candid way. We used bright colored clothing and shadows to anchor and add interest to these shots. We also played around with cropping and just keeping the face out of the frame. We even used the environment to hide our faces in more creative ways. We played around with this caution tape, and I think Ken's backlit portraits turned out really well. Here, some dynamic movement worked in our favor. Controlling posing and choosing how much of the face to reveal can give you an added element to play around with, which can be great when you're working with inexperienced models. Overall, when you're in a creative rut or looking for something different to shoot, creating a photo challenge like this one can force you to think out of the box and inspire you to shoot something different and fun.
If you guys go and shoot your own faceless portraits, throw them up on Instagram with the hashtag #TCO Faceless Portraits and I'll check them out and leave a comment. And if you want a little bit of clarity on my weird upload schedule here, follow me on Instagram at ReenSnaps for behind the scenes, finished photos, and I'll usually throw up an Instagram story whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in a couple of weeks-ish.